Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to talk about how to get auto scroll on TikTok. So let's hop on to TikTok and don't forget to like and subscribe, it really helps me out. So when I can go to my For You page and for example click on this, on the first video you see, scroll down and you have to see here some button that says auto scroll. So you see that I don't see this button, so we're gonna fix it another way. Go to your profile in the right bottom, then click on 3 lines, and then click on settings and privacy, and then click on report a problem. And now you're gonna scroll down and click on submit a report and tell them your feedback. Please enable auto scroll for me, and then click on the submit. And it may take 2 or 3 business days for them to fix it. I hope this helps, and if you have any questions, please let me know.